Today I'm going to show you how to use Stage and the point clouds to optimize your plant design projects. If you use point clouds and Stage in your project, you have a couple of advantages. Your planning data is up to date, you can review the installation planning live with the customer, 3D even non-technical staff understands, and the planned equipment will fit, so no expensive rework on site. Let's have a look at the overall workflow and the benefits of Stage. Once you've scanned your point cloud, publish it as a PTS file to be used in the Autodesk products. Use Autodesk ReCap to view and prepare the point cloud for your further design needs. Combine point cloud with your design tool and finalize your design. Create a Stage meeting including both your cut and scan model. Upload your data to the Stage cloud, invite your participants, and start your interactive meeting. In the Stage conference, participants are more involved, viewing the model from a first-person view, interacting with it and with each other. Tools like pointing, moving components, slicing, and measurements make the meeting even more efficient. Document your findings and changes for further design iterations. Thank you for watching today's video.